Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a Thai-style yellow shrimp curry. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we're going to need 3 cloves of garlic, a small white onion, a bell pepper, a pound of shrimp, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 teaspoons of curry powder. You can use red or yellow. I'm going to be using yellow because it's milder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of lime juice, a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, 14 ounces of coconut milk, and 6 ounces of snap beans. We'll start by preparing our shrimp for cooking. We'll peel and devein them if necessary. These shrimp have already been deveined, but if yours have not, after peeling, use a paring knife to cut down the back of the shrimp about a quarter of the way through to expose and remove the intestinal tract. After preparing our shrimp, we'll rinse our snap beans. Then we'll prepare our vegetables. We'll cut the ends off our snap beans and cut them in half, core, seed, and thinly slice our bell pepper long ways, and cut the pieces in half, peel and dice our onion, and peel and mince our garlic. Then we'll set our stovetop to medium-high heat, and add our 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll add our onion, bell pepper, and snap beans, and cook until the onions start to soften, about 5 minutes. Then we'll add our garlic and cook until fragrant, about another 30 seconds. Next, we'll reduce heat to medium and stir in our 14 ounces of coconut milk, tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of curry powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and quarter teaspoon of ground ginger. We'll let this simmer for about 5 more minutes. Then we'll mix together our 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to form a slurry. We'll mix that into our curry and add our shrimp before covering the pot with a lid and cooking until the shrimp are opaque, about another 3 minutes. We'll serve this with some jasmine rice. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.